But if you're going into this expecting that to happen, then chances are you're going to be very disappointed, because without any type of promotion, the odds are against you. So looking at it from a worst case scenario, if I wanted to make, let's say, $30,000 per year from my KDP business, and I was going to use this method to market my books, then I would need to publish at least 1,000 books. And if we go back to those 4 contributions of effort, skill, time, and money, although this doesn't require any money or real effort on your part as far as promotion goes, it will still require a little skill to create some good quality books and a whole lot of time to create hundreds, if not thousands of books, depending on how big of a passive income you want to make. So as you can see, although this method doesn't really require a lot of you outside of creating books, you still have to create a lot of books. And that's going to take a lot of time and a little bit of skill on your part. Okay, so if the thought of creating thousands of books just doesn't do it for you, then maybe method number 2 will be a little more your style. Now, one thing that I want to point out is that when it comes to marketing your medium or low content books, your number 1 goal is always going to be to try to get your books to rank on page 1 of search. And this is true regardless of the method that you're using to market your books. If your book is showing up any further down than page 1, your odds of making a sale are going to be reduced dramatically the further down you go.